School, stand at ease. School, attention. Salute, order. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. School, get ready for the breathing exercise. All of you slowly close your eyes. Then breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now all of you rub your hands together. Keep it on your eyes. Once again, rub your hands together. Keep it on your eyes. Now slowly take your hands and school, get ready for the prayer. Prayer begins.
ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय दया कर जान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारे आत्मा में शुद्धता देना हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु आँखों में बस जाओ अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना बहा दो ज्ञान की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का सागर हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना हमारा धर्म हो सेवा हमारा कर्म हो सेवा सदा ईमान हो सेवा व सेवक जन बना देना वतन के वास्ते जीना वतन के वास्ते मरना वतन पर जान फिदा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारे आत्मा में शुद्धता देना ॐ सहना ववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्वी नावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
School, stand at ease.
An equation means nothing to me unless it expresses a thought of God. With this quote of Srinivasa Ramananujan, a very sporty morning to each and everyone present. It's me, Ankita H., and my friend Shreya Padmanabhan with today's assembly program.
Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around us is mathematics. Everything around us is numbers. It is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of the human spirit.
Patriotism is a commitment to what is best inside us all, and it's a recognition of that wondrous common essence in our greater surroundings. So let's take pledge with Akansha.
School, get ready for the pledge. Pledge begins.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and very heritage.
I shall strive to be
I shall strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give respect
I shall give respect
to my parents,
to my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
classmates,
classmates,
and all elders,
and all elders,
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion.
my devotion.
In their well being
In their well being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
School, stand at ease.
Every morning brings us new thoughts, new words, new strength, and endless possibilities. So, to enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes Yashika with the thought.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Yashika of Class 8B, here with today's thought. Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. I repeat the thought. Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. I thank you and have a nice day.
News keeps us informed of the changing events, issues, and characters in the whole outside. So, for presenting out today's news, I call upon Kirtana and Arva.
Good morning. Today's news. First, some international news. Central government introduces bill to link voter ID with Aadhaar cards. Delimitation Commission proposes 6 seats for Jammu and 1 seat for Kashmir. Yellow alert for extreme cold in Delhi today. Goa celebrates 76th Liberation Day on 19th December. Now some international news. Japanese space tourists safely return to Earth. Russia seeks urgent US response on security demands. Pro-Beijing candidates sweep victories in Hong Kong polls. UAE to end censorship cinematic releases. Now I hand over to Arva for some state and sports news.
Thank you, Kirtana. State news. CPM says a conspiracy of communal forces is afoot to disturb peace in Kerala. Kerala HC trashes government report defending erring pink police official. COVID-19. 2,230 cases in Kerala on Monday. Active cases dropped below 30K. Four more Omicron cases in Kerala. Total 15 now. Sports news. Gambhir signs up as mentor for Lucknow IPL franchise. Test series against South Africa, opener Rahul named vice captain. World Cup host Qatar used ex-CIA officer to spy on FIFA. Brazil star Neymar could retire after 2022 FIFA World Cup. Semi-final spot assured, India to clash with Japan in ACT hockey. Vidyalaya news. Today our Vidyalaya is observing National Mathematics Day and also celebrating Christmas. Thank you.
And have a nice day.
Every assembly is incomplete without a special item. So, here comes Anne Maria and Anjana with a poem on trigonometry.
Once I went to Eiffel Tower. It stood upright, showing its power. I thought of finding its height in an hour, but the tower looked at me with a glower. I tried and tried, but soon I failed. I was disappointed and sad and wailed. I didn't know Eiffel Tower was a provoker. It laughed at me and made me a joker. Suddenly up popped a really old man, whom I've never seen in my whole lifespan. He stared at me every now and then. He asked me then to give a pen. I gave him my Parker as well as a paper. He jotted down something quicker and faster. I was astonished by his amazing character. He gave back my paper and disappeared as a cracker. Then I noticed that it's all about right triangle. To find the height, what's the need of an angle? In this tower, where is the triangle? Well, it's a mystery that I have to untangle. I was late to notice a table. I thought it would be more suitable. What I noticed was unbelievable. Zeros, roots, and fractions as Gabby. I mixed the fractions, I mixed the values, I mixed the angles and then mixed with triangle. Then used some identities, then mixed the table, then added some sides and made it stable. At last came a spontaneous idea in my mind. I cried out Eureka! It was my latest invention. Sin cosec, cosec cotan. I found that thing I didn't believe I can. This is known as trigonometry. It's so interesting as geometry. Aryabhatta was the great old man who helped me out with his brilliant plan.
Here comes Lipsa with the PowerPoint presentation.
Good morning, everyone. I am Lipsa with a PPT presentation on mathematics. What is mathematics? Introduction. Mathematics accelerates the social, economical, and technological growth of a nation. The world of today demands more and more mathematical knowledge on the part of its people. So, it is necessary to prepare the child with a strong base of mathematical knowledge. Main branches of mathematics. There are four main branches of mathematics. They are algebra, number theory, arithmetic, and geometry. Algebra. Algebra is the one of the broad areas of mathematics. In its the most general form, algebra is the study of mathematical symbols and the rules for manipulating these symbols. It is an unifying thread of almost all the mathematics. Types of algebra: linear algebra, linear equations, relations, vector spaces, relations and compensations, matrices, matrix decomposition. Branches of algebra: pre-algebra, elementary algebra, abstract algebra, linear algebra, and universal algebra. Number theory is a branch of pure mathematics devoted primarily to the study of integers and integer valued functions. Modern number theory is a broad subject that is classified into subheadings such as elementary number theory, algebraic number theory, analytic number theory, geometric number theory, and probabilistic number theory. These categories reflect the methods used to address problems concerning the integers. Arithmetic. Arithmetic is a branch of mathematics that consists of the study of numbers, especially concerning the properties of the traditional operations of them. The basic arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Geometry. Geometry is with arithmetic, one of the most oldest branch of mathematics. It is considered with the properties of space that are related with distance, shape, size and relative position of figures. A mathematician who works in the field of geometry is called a geometer. The most common types of geometry are plane geometry, dealing with objects like the point, line, circle, triangle and polygon. Solid geometry, dealing with objects like the line, sphere and polyhedron. The spherical geometry, dealing with objects like the spherical triangle and spherical polygon. Importance of mathematics. Mathematics helps us understand the world and provides an effective way of building mental discipline. Math encourages logical reasoning, critical thinking, creative thinking, abstract or spatial thinking, problem solving ability, and even effective combination skills. Points to learn maths properly. You need patience, understanding problems very well. Write the answer with questions and solution properly. Make your calculation fast. Follow all the steps while writing the answers. Learn the tricks very well. How we use maths in daily life. Math matters in everyday life. Managing money, balancing the checkbook, shopping for the best price, etc. Life is not possible without mathematics. Mathematics is not about numbers, equation, compensation or algorithms. It is about understanding. Thank you.
Now let's enjoy a skit by students of class 11.
Students, find the value of sine 75 degree. Ma'am, completed. Is the answer root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2?
Yes.
Only Riya is there in the class. All of us are sleeping. Riya only answers my questions. Uncle, why can't you answer? That's the problem. You all are too slow. Suraj haven't even started doing it. The rest of the questions in exercise is homework. Thank you. Hi students, I'm Dia. I am a journalist. I would like to have a discussion with you guys. Discussion about what? About maths.
About maths, I hate maths. I don't want to talk about it.
That's what I want to know. Why do you hate maths?
Maths is the only subject in which I score very less. I doesn't understand anything.
Yes, sometimes I also get confused on several equations and questions.
I don't know why it is important to study maths and what is the use of this sine, cos and tan.
Ria, what would you like to say for Suraj's queries? I would say that all these are really essential for finding out several things. There are so many applications of trigonometry, not only trigonometry for all branches of maths.
There might be, but why it is so hard to study?
If you try to understand the concept, you will not find it so hard.
Sometimes I don't understand some topics even after repeated study.
I don't even feel like studying when I look at maths.
I think Amit's problem can be solved with practice. You can take help from Ria. And in my opinion, Suraj's problem is lack of interest and concentration in class. You should try to understand the concept and study. You can also take help from your teachers and friends. And Ria, would you like to give your friends some tips?
Three.
Yes, of course. First of all, I would like to say is to get hold of the concept anyway. With the help of the teachers, friends, or also you can use the internet these days to clarify your doubts. Second is practice. Practice as many as questions as you can. As practice makes a man perfect.
Grows more when we learn something new. Words are the currency of the communication which embrace our listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. So here comes Mayank with a new word.
Good morning. I am Mayank Singh present today's new word. New word combinatorics. I repeat my word combinatorics, meaning the branch of mathematics dealing with combinations of objects belonging to finite set in accordance with certain such as those graph theory. Used in sentence, his research interests include combinatorics, group theory, and cryptography. Thank you.
School, attention. Get ready for the national anthem. National anthem begins.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विदाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
School, disperse.